Hello everyone. Today let us start with a new topic from EduTech Action Gets Results. The concepts of applications of integrations. You will come to know one type, one concept from application of integration. That is how to find the area of a given curve. I have divided this topic into different types for different type of curves. The type 1 type of curve is a simple curve. Consider a curve y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx bounded between x-axis, which is bounded to x-axis from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. To find this area, we can use integration and we can find the area of the curve. I will show you the example with the diagram. Let us make an x-axis, y-axis. So this is my x-axis, y-axis, as you can see on the board. Then let us consider the curve to be a very simple curve on the first quadrant, that is y is equal to fx, x is equal to a, x is equal to b are the two lines which is very needful to be bounded. So this is the area we need to find it out. So you will say sir अगर फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं है तो क्या करना है, तो आगे आपको टाइप्स में पता चलेगा. तो to find out this area, it's a simple integration of the function y is equal y dx from a to b, as you can see on the board. So this area is equal to x is equal to a to x is equal to b f of x dx. This was my first type. Let us go to the type 2. Type 2 is the area अगर यही curve is bounded with y-axis instead of x-axis. So this function, I will consider this function y is equal to fx. Since I was saying is bounded by y-axis from y is equal to a to y is equal to b, तो that would be अगर y is equal to fx है तो मुझे सबसे पहले उसको convert करना पड़ेगा x के फॉर्म में. मतलब for example अगर y is equal to x square है तो I can write this as x is equal to under root of y. So considering x-axis and y-axis, similarly ये curve, this curve, let us see this curve in this way. Let's say for example this curve is something like, for example, y is equal to x is equal to g of y. It's an example. This is y is equal to b, this is y is equal to a, upper limit and lower limit. To find out the area, yes, as you must have been guessed, exactly same. सब कुछ same रहेगा, बस उल्टा. मतलब area will be equal to y is equal to a to y is equal to b for x dy. वहाँ पर हम लोग ने y dx लिया था, यहाँ पर x dy लेंगे और x की जगह पे x is equal to gy डालेंगे. तो gy डालेंगे मतलब पूरा फंक्शन y के टर्म्स में हो जाएगा, तो तुम लोग को इंटीग्रेट y के टर्म्स में करना पड़ेगा. This will give an area of this type of curve. This was type 2. Let us move on to type 3. So what is the type 3 type of curve? Is an area between two curves. अगर दो curves के बीच का area मुझे निकालना है, जैसे y is equal to fx एक curve है और y is equal to gx एक curve है. I'll make a diagram and I'll make you understand first before giving you any further information. मैं सबसे पहले diagram निकाल लेता हूँ, एक simple diagram. So I'll consider two curves. One is y is equal to fx. This is y is equal to fx and y is equal to gx. So I need to find it out the area between them. इसके बीच का area निकालना है. तो first of all I need to find it out these 2 points. These 2 points which on x-axis, दोनों के x-axis के हिसाब से दोनों के values क्या होंगे मुझे वो निकालना पड़ेगा. तो let us assume, solve करने के बाद properly mathematically you need to solve both of them. Let us assume दोनों के values आते हैं x is equal to a and x is equal to b. So this area between this curve, to find it out, is very simple. It just you need to subtract the area from x is equal to a to x is equal to b for f of x, since it is on the above side, by x is equal to a to x is equal to b with g of x. तो सिंपली दोनों का एरिया निकाल के दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो और उसका मॉडुलस निकालो. सिंस मेरा थोड़ा सा लाइंस अंदर आया, आई विल राइट द फॉर्मूला अगेन. इट्स सेम फॉर्मूला, just as you can see, it's same formula. See, वो lines अंदर आने की वजह से I've repeated it. So this is an area of this type of curves. So moving to the next type, type 4. This is type 3. Let's move on to type 4. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to fx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. तो सर ये टाइप 1 और टाइप 4 में इसमें क्या फर्क था? तो curve y is equal to fx is different this time, as you can see on the diagram. अभी तुम लोग को मैं डायग्राम में बताऊंगा. यहाँ पर जो y is equal to fx मेरा curve है, that will be different. तो y is equal to fx is something like this. It is in the fourth quadrant, so on the negative side. So by default everything is same, the curve is only on the opposite side. So by default it may happen that if you solve this problem you will get an answer in negative. So just you need to do is do same, everything is same, nothing is different like first type 1. Just at the end take a modulus of it. So this was a type 4. Let us go to type 5. Since it is very small, type 5 I'll directly start with the diagram because it would be much better to make you all understand. It is again a simple f of x. The only thing is type 1 में अपन ने देखा था single curve in first quadrant, type 4 में हम लोग ने देखा था fourth quadrant. अभी हम लोग एक curve ले रहे हैं जो fourth से first में जा रहा है. So ये अगर type of curve है तो first of all you need to divide this curve into 3 parts. One is from x is equal to a to x is equal to c, and then x is equal to c to x is equal to b. So divide this area into 2 parts. This is area 2 and area 1. I have named it as area 1 and area 2. So to find it out the total area, we need to just add both the areas, area 1 and area 2. So you need to separately find out both the areas, that is area 1 and area 2. Yes, you all have been rightly guessed. area 2 type 1 से आएगा और area 1 type 4 से आएगा. तो मैंने कलर करके उसको थोड़ा डिफरेंशिएट करने की कोशिश की है. area 1 और area 2 का एडिशन, area 1 या इट्स ऑफ टाइप 4, तो इसलिए वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में, इसलिए उसका मॉडुलस x is equal to a to x is equal to c, x is equal to a to x is equal to c फॉर f of x. यस, आंसर नेगेटिव आएगा, उसका मॉडुलस में करना है. एंड एरिया 2 इज सिंस इट इज इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. x is equal to a to x is equal to c to x is equal to b f of x. So just add both the areas and you will get the final answer, that is area is equal to area 1 plus area 2. And that was our applications. I hope so I'll made it understand. Thank you guys. See you next time. AGR Infinity.